Looking for easy gift ideas this holiday season? We've got you covered. My name is Cheryl and I'm a product consultant at BC Liquor Stores. Today I'm going to show you some great gift options for stocking stuffers. We've got an amazing selection of mini spirits. These are perfect for adding a little cheer without breaking the bank. I'm super excited about this Old Smoky Shine Nog. Just a small taste of holiday magic in a cute 50ml bottle. For the premium spirit lovers, we have the 200ml Patron Silver. Definitely a crowd pleaser. And don't forget about our mini wine bottles. This Gerard Bertrand Côte de Roses Rosé not only tastes great, but looks stunning too. Looking for something fun? These Buzzballs cocktails are delicious and super popular, especially the espresso martini. Plus, if you have wine enthusiasts on your list or are heading to a holiday party, a corkscrew makes a perfect addition to any gift. Or if you're in a rush, grabbing a gift card is a great option. Today I'm going to show you some gift ideas that are perfect for gifting your holiday host. Sparkling wine isn't just for celebrations, it's a unique gift option that's often overlooked and an excellent choice to bring to parties. Villa Conchi Cava is a fantastic selection that pairs perfectly with appetizers. This time of year, many champagnes come in special gift boxes like this Tanger. If you're looking for reds, here are some crowd pleasers for your next dinner party. Tinhorn Creek, the Creek Red Blend, support local with this iconic BC winery. Chateau Menet 2020, perfect for collectors, this Bordeaux will only get better. So whether it's sparkling wine or a bold red, you can't go wrong with these choices for your next gathering. Today I'm going to show you some great gift packs that are perfect for a gift exchange or stocking stuffers. These gift packs come with the product you already love, plus a matching gift, all in a beautiful box that's super easy to wrap. How cute is this Bailey set with a matching mug? Perfect for cozy nights in. Or check out this elegant Piper Heidsieck gift pack, complete with 2 stunning flutes ideal for celebrating special moments. For more holiday gift ideas, head to your local BC liquor store and speak to a product consultant today.